What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
What's going on, guys? Reggie P here. Back at you with another video. Now I'm gonna go through this video pretty fast. Tell you guys how to get free PayPal money on your phone, and these are cash codes. So before I tell you the site, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, give me a like, and drop a comment down below if you have any questions. And watch out for that code word that will pop up in here somewhere. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to the site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm at the site, and the name of the site is MC Money. So earn money for receiving text messages. So get paid real money for helping people improve worldwide communication. And all you have to do is receive text messages on your mobile phone once in a while. It's real simple, guys. You just click this, download this APK, and get ready to start receiving messages and start getting paid. And let's scroll down here and learn a little bit more right quick. So what is MC Money? So by letting us send text messages to your phone, you allow us to test and improve mobile operations. Simply said, you help us help mobile operators to work together. And not unimportant, each message you receive adds more money to your MC bank, real money. So you're going to be getting real money, guys, and you're going to be helping this company help them improve mobile operations. So you get real cash. So you're going to earn cash. Just install the app. You receive a random text SMS message. Once in a while, you earn money that way. It works on Android. And it's very secure, guys. You don't have to worry about any policy issues. And here are some reviews. So this person right here says actually earning a few bucks with this app. Great. And I love this app. You literally do nothing and earn money. And here are some specifics. Don't want to receive any messages for a while, just disable MC Money app for a while in the settings. That's all you have to do, guys. If you don't want to receive no more messages, I'm thinking you probably want to keep receiving messages because you want to get that money. All right, I'm over here at the frequently asked questions, and I'm not going to read all these questions, guys. You can come to the site and read them for yourself, because I have another site I want to show you. So I'm going to go ahead and go to that one in a minute. But this one is a very, very easy way of making some money. Just cash codes are being sent to your phone, and all you got to do is check your message and get paid. That's it, guys. And you can get up to $5. It's going to be a real small amount, but it's passive income, guys. Passive income. So let me go ahead and go to the next site, because I have another site I want to show you. Okay, guys, I'm at the next site, and it's called moneysmsapp.com. And Money SMS app, make money online. Money SMS is a free Android app which allows you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by our system and customers. So on here, you also download the APK onto your phone. And as you can see here, you can receive up to like $15. Now let's scroll down here and read a little bit more. So Money SMS is a free Android app which allows you to make money online automatically from your phone by receiving SMS. So it works on Android. You earn money online. And it's secure just like the other website. This one is secure too. Automatically you earn money with the app passively. And they have a referral program. So you can refer our app to your friends and community and earn 30% from their earnings. That's a good referral program, guys. So free. Our app is completely free. You do not need to pay anything to get started. There are no hidden fees. That's good to know. That's good to know. And it says here, learn how to make money online with our app. So explore our Money SMS app. Works in a short minute video. So here's a video you can watch, guys. It'll show you how it works. So as I said earlier, just download and install the APK. Receive automatic test SMS and get paid. You will automatically get paid 2 cents. Now I know that's not a lot, guys. I know that's not a lot, but that can add up because they send a lot of messages. It can add up and you're not doing anything. All you're doing is what you do normally every day is check your phone. And now that's in Euro dollars. So it might be a little bit less with US dollars. Now let's just scroll down here and look at some of these screenshots. So withdraw money through the payment systems, which is PayPal, and they also have Bitcoin and some other money platforms. So withdraw money within 48 hours. Wow. So only 48 hours, guys, you get the money just like that. So keep track of your income reports. So they have it where you can keep track of your income. And they have a little report feature on here. And let's see what else they have here. And this right here just shows how your balance will look. That's the balance page on there. And show you waiting for him SMS. And it's how you earn money. And here's the code that you get right here when you refer it to other people. So this is the cash code that you refer to people, and boom, you get paid when they get paid, 30%. And as you can see here, tests sent. 3 million tests has been sent. 71,000 has been paid, and they have 163,000 registered users. And right here, they just tell you why are you getting paid, which is same as the other website. They're doing tests and you're participating in a test and you get paid for participating in the test, receiving these text messages. And they say, are you a scam? Are you legit? They are legit. They've been around for a while. They are legit, guys, but you can come here, research it yourself. Check it out, sign up. I'm telling you, would not be disappointed. And here's some general questions. You can click on here and find out payment issues. If you have any payment issues, and talk about more about the referral program. Okay, guys, that's it. That's all I'm gonna say about this website. So go to moneysmsapp.com to get started. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes on this video. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this video. And please type the code word that popped up somewhere in this video. If it haven't popped up yet, that means keep watching this video all the way to the very end. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Come on, guys. We're close. We're close to 5,000, and we're close to the 25th of December. So let's get there before the 25th of December. Road to 5,000. Let's go. Peace and have a prosperous day.